Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Squad. Today we are going to learn chapter 10, 3 states of matter. In this chapter we shall discuss about matter, states of matter and change in the states of matter. Let us begin the chapter. There is a variety of materials in the world such as rocks, soil, water, air, wood and so on. These are natural materials. Humans have made many new materials from natural materials such as furniture, utensils, clothes, paper, plastic, steel. These materials are called man-made materials. All materials or matter occupy space. We can also say anything that occupies space is matter. Let us discuss how matter occupies space. Take a glass, pour some water into it. Note the level of the water. Take a small piece of stone, put slowly inside the glass. What will you observe? We're going to take a glass, pour some water into it, note the level. Now drop a piece of stone inside the glass. You will see the water level rises in the glass. This is because the stone occupies space and pushes the water up. Now take a small and a big glass. Fill the big glass with the water. Now pour that water into a small glass. What will happen? You will see that small glass will be full. It cannot hold any more water. So we say water has occupied the entire space in the small glass. This is because there is no space left to hold the water. Let us discuss the three matters of states of matter. There are three states of matter, namely solid, liquid and gas. What are solids? Iron, glass, wood, plastic, book, pencil are solids. Solids have definite shape and size. You can see books or all will have a proper shape in rectangle or square or anything. Solids do not flow. Let us discuss about the liquids. Liquids means drinks, milk, fruit juice, oil, petrol. These are liquids. Liquids flow from upper level to lower level. They can be poured. Liquids have no shape of their own. They take the shape of the container they are filled. So, in whatever glass you take, different shapes you take, the liquids will get filled. So, there is no shape for the glass. Liquids. Liquids do not always take up the whole space in a container. Let us discuss about gases. Air, smoke, water vapor, oxygen, carbon dioxide, cooking gas, etc. are gases. It has no definite shape. Gases flow easily in all directions. It takes up all the space around them. The cooking gas in a cylinder has the shape of the cylinder. The gas in the balloon also takes the shape of the balloon. Let us discuss how states of matter changes from one form to another form. Water exists in three forms: ice, a solid; water, a liquid; and a water vapor, a gas. Right? Ice is a solid, water is a liquid, and steam or water vapor is a gas. On heating, ice changes into a liquid, that is, solid changes into a liquid form. On further heating the water changes into steam, that is, liquid changes into gas. Now, reverse vice versa, gas on cooling will get condensed to liquid. Now, liquid when further cooled, freezing, will get ice, that is solid. So, solid on heating will become liquid. Liquid on heating becomes gas. Gas on cooling becomes liquid. Liquid on cooling becomes solid. Let us have a chapter recap. Anything that occupies space is matter. Matter exists in three forms: solid, liquids, and gases. Solids have a definite shape and size. Liquids flow from upper level to lower level. They have no shape of their own. Gases flow in all directions. They take up all the space around them. Matter changes its state on heating or cooling. This ends the chapter 10.